What is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I'm going to be showing you how to fix a screen tearing in YouTube. Basically, what's going on is your monitor is trying to display the video that is playing. Like, say somebody has a 144 hertz monitor and they're recording it in 144 hertz. Your monitor's not going to run it very well, and I've noticed this with certain monitors. It's actually on this video I was watching not like literally a second ago. This video is from iTemp Plays. He's definitely a good YouTuber. He plays a lot of Apex. If you guys are interested in Apex, you can go subscribe to him. So here's the video, and I'm going to show you the screen tearing real quick. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not as noticeable for some people, but for me it's definitely noticeable because I have a 144 hertz monitor. It's just someone's borrowing it right now, so it gave me the opportunity to make this video, which is kind of nice. But if he looks around, you can kind of see it. Like if he looks up and down, but he doesn't really look up and down in this part of the video. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's actually a very simple process, even if you're not someone who's you're not very skilled with computers. But so if you have an NVIDIA card, I can show you, but if it's an AMD card, I can't really show you because I don't have a video card that has an AMD software, but I might have a friend who might be able to do it for me. Maybe he can just send me the video and I'll just talk over it or something. But so what you want to do is you want to right click on the desktop. You're going to click NVIDIA Control Panel. You're going to click Manage 3D Settings. Most of the time, if you're not ever in this settings, it's going to pop up in this window. Just click Manage 3D Settings, click Program Settings. Then you're going to click the drop-down menu. It's more than likely going to be on this or one of these, if I don't know if you've used it before, but you're going to scroll down and you're going to find Google Chrome, which is right here. Now, if you're using a different browser, just click on that browser instead. And once you do that, you're going to scroll down. You're going to go to Vertical Sync. You're going to left click on it. Sorry, just regular click on it. You're going to click On. Now, it's really that simple. If you want to mess with these settings, you can change it for certain games too, but I wouldn't really mess with it. But you can go ahead and click Apply. And then when it's done, you can just X out of it. Once you're done with that, you are going to have to restart the Chrome browser, which I already did. You can just open it, play it, and you can see there's no screen tearing. So I just feel like this will be helpful for some people, especially if you're not as computer skilled and you don't actually know how to do it. But it's just a simple task. It's not all that hard. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy, drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. If we can get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a video on my graphics card collection because I am collecting graphics cards. But yeah, I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.